ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादं शङ्करं लोकशङ्करम्। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अध्याय 1 वल्ली 1 मंत्र 21। देवैरत्रापि विचिकित्सितं पुरा न हि सुविज्ञेयमनुरेष धर्मः। अन्यं वरं नचिकेतो वृणीष्व मामोपरोत्सीरति मा सृजैनम्। Nachiketa asked third vara. The third vara is a question regarding the Atma. Deha Indriya Manobuddhi Vyatirikta Atma. The presence of Atma which transcends body, mind, senses, etc. In other words, it is about Atma Swarupa, the Swarupa. Swarupa means the intrinsic nature, the true nature of Atma. The Atma Swarupa is nothing but Brahman. Therefore, by implication, the third vara is a question about Brahman. Though it is not very evident in the question itself, because if you look at the question prima facie, superficially, the question just looks like a simple curiosity of a child. What happens after death? And this question is often asked by children. Nachiketa is not the first person. Even we might have asked, what happens after death? Out of some curiosity. We didn't want to know the ultimate truth. As children, the ordinary children are not asking because they want to know the ultimate truth and they want to get moksha. It is just a curiosity. But unlike the ordinary child's curiosity, Nachiketa's question has profound implication. And Yama has understood it. Nachiketa is not asking just like an ordinary child. He knows the profundity of the question. He knows the significance of the question. It is evident from Nachiketa's own words later on. That is why Shankaracharya also clarifies Nachiketa's question. Deha indriya manobuddhi vyatiriktaha atma. So, this question is about Deha Sharira Indriya Manobuddhi Vyatirikta Atma. It is not just the Sthula Sharira Vyatirikta Atma. When we generally ask such question, we are just curious about the presence beyond this Sthula Sharira. And that is how generally this question is answered also. When the jiva leaves this body, he takes another body. That is a generally given answer. As an answer to the ordinary curiosity. An Atma which just transcends this Sthula Sharira. It is not difficult to understand. And it answers the curiosity also. The curiosity of an ordinary child. Yes, after death, this Jiva goes to Swarga, or it may take another body. A Dehantara Sambandhi Atma, which is a Jivatma. It is not necessarily Indriya Mano Buddhi Vyatiriktaha. It is just Thula Deha Vyatiriktaha. But considering the profundity of Nachiketa, Shankaracharya is interpreting this question as a question regarding Sharira Indriya Mano Buddhi Vyatiriktaha Atma, not just Sharira Vyatiriktaha Atma. So it is not a usual curiosity. It is a true jijnasa, true vividisha. That is what we can see in Nachiketa. Vividisha is the true desire to know, true desire for Atmajnana. And this Vividisha is accompanied by intense mumukshutva. Tivra mumukshutva. I want to get moksha. Therefore, I want to know the truth of Atma. That is what we call Jijnasa or Vividisha in the context of Vedanta. So, Nachiketa's question is not a casual question out of his curiosity. He is asking for the truth, for the ultimate. Yama understands this. Nachiketa is asking for Brahma Vidya, Adhyatma Vidya. But the Adhyatma Vidya cannot be given if the person is not an adhikari. It should be given to a deserving student, because Brahma Vidya is very precious. It is the most precious thing in the world. That is why it is Guhyatamam. Raja Vidya Raja Guhyam in Bhagavad Gita. It is the greatest secret, and it can be given only to adhikari. One has to deserve it. That is why Yama wants to ensure that Nachiketa truly deserves it before giving Brahma Vidya. Therefore, Yama is trying to discourage Nachiketa. Please don't ask for this. It is not easy to understand. Even if I tell you Brahma Vidya, no guarantee that you will understand. And even if you understand, no guarantee that it will work for you. Therefore, don't waste your time as well as my time. Instead, ask for something else. Yama is trying to discourage in this mantra. So, Devairatrapi vichikitsitam pura atra asmin vishaye, about this, about the Atma Tattva. Even Devatas had a doubt in the past. Pura, in the past. Devaihi api, even by the Devatas, vichikitsitam, they had a doubt. So even for Devatas, it is not easy to understand. Even they got doubt. We can see such stories even in the Upanishads. Indra and Virochana, they go to Brahmadeva, Prajapati, to get the Atma Vidya. And then they had to live like brahmacharis for several years. Indra and Virochana. Then even after that, Virochana could not understand. Instead, he misunderstood. He thought he has understood properly, but he thought the body itself is the Atma. And he returned, and he became a teacher also. It is very dangerous. Without understanding properly, you become a teacher. And he told everyone in his kingdom, you are the body, and body is the Atma. So take care of your body very well. Then Indra understood that he has not understood properly after the first course. After the first course, Virochana thought he has understood, and he went and became a teacher. Indra knew that he has not understood clearly. Then he did the second course, third course, and fourth course. He understood. I am distorting the story in my own way, okay? So, after fourth course, even Devatas had to do 4 courses. Not under Shiva Prakashananda, Prajapati. Then Indra understood the true Atma. So there is nothing wrong if people do second time, third time. So even Devatas had a doubt. Means even for Devatas, it was not easy to understand. Because Atma Tattva is Durjneya, difficult to understand. Not impossible to understand, but difficult to understand. Nahi suvidnyeyam eshaha dharmaha. This dharma, in this context, dharma means Atma. Dharayati iti dharma. That which supports everything is called dharma. Not the regular meaning of dharma. This is a special meaning of dharma. Eshaha dharmaha na suvidnyeyam hi. It is definitely not suvidnyeya. It is not easy to understand. Therefore, Yama is requesting Nachiketa. He Nachiketaha, O Nachiketa, Anyam varam ranishva. Please choose another vara. Anyam varam. Ma uparotsihi. Moparotsihi. It will become ma uparotsihi. The first ma is asmad shabda. Mam, me, dvitiya ekavachanam. Mam, ma, avam, nau, asman, naha. Asmad shabda, dvitiya ekavachanam. Me. Ma uparotsihi. The second ma is a no. Do not. Uparotsihi. Do not compel me. Do not force me. Do not force me to give this vara. Atimasrajainam. Ma enam ma atisraja. Enam means this. Srijainam, there is an enam. Srija plus enam becomes Srijainam. Enam, this vara, enam varam, this vara. Ma is equal to mam again. And we have to add a prati. Mam prati, towards me, for my sake. Ati sraja, please leave, please give up. We will see the bhashya. So, kim ayam ekantataha nishayasa sadhana atmajnanarhaha nava iti etat parikshanartham aha. So, this is Yamaha Uvacha, Mrityuhu Uvacha, this verse. So, what is the intention of Yama? Bhashyakara gives the intention. Kim, whether, ayam nachiketaha, this Nachiketa, ekantataha nishayasa sadhana atmajnanarhaha, whether he is definitely fit for atmajnana or not. Ekantataha means definitely. Nishayasa sadhana, Atmajnana is a means for Nishayasa. Nishayasasya sadhanam, the sadhana of Nishayasa. What is it? Atmajnana. Nishayasa sadhanam eva Atmajnana. Arha, is he fit? Does he deserve the Atmajnana or not? Nava ityetat parikshanaya, ityetat parikshanartham, to test this as a test. Not that Yama doesn't want to give, he is ready to give, but the person should be deserving. Ityetat parikshanartham aha, Yama said. Devaihi api atra etasmin vastuni vichikitsitam samshayitam pura purvam nahi suvijñeyam sushtu vijñeyam shrutam api prakritayir janaihi yataha anuhu sukshmaha eshaha atmakhyo dharmaha ataha anyam asandigdha phalam varam nachiketaha vranishva. So devaihi api, even by devatas, atra means etasmin vastuni, vishaya saptami. The saptami has the sense of vishaya. On this vastu, on this truth, vastu means the truth, reality, Vichikitsitam is equal to samshayitam. They had doubted. They had doubt. Pura is equal to purvam, in the past. Sometime in the past. And it is there in the form of a story. That is why pura. Once upon a time. Nahi suvidnyeyam. So why devatas also had doubt? Nahi suvidnyeyam. Sushtu vidnyeyam suvidnyeyam. It is not easily understandable. Sushtu vidnyeyam means easily understandable. It is not easily understandable. Shrutam api prakritaihi janaihi. Prakritaihi janaihi. By the ordinary people, it is not easily understandable. Shrutam api, even if it is heard, even if they do shavana, they don't understand. Why? Yataha, because anuhu, eshaha dharmaha anuhu. This dharma, this atma is anuhu. Anuhu means sukshmaha, very subtle, most subtle, most sukshma, ati sukshma. Eshaha atmakhyo dharmaha. This dharma, and dharma is atma. Atmakhyo dharmaha. Ataha, therefore, anyam varam, another vara. What kind of vara? Asandigdha phalam, whose result is not indefinite. Any other vara which will give definite result. Meaning, this vara is not going to give you definite result. Because first of all, whether you will understand or not, that itself is doubtful. So even if you understand, you may not get the result. Even that is possible. Because sometimes, even if there is jnana, it does not work because of too much of pratibandha, viparita bhavana, etc. That is why no guarantee that you will get the result. Therefore, ask for some other vara which will give you definite result. Asandigdha phalam varam nachiketaha. He nachiketaha, vocative, vranishva, please ask. Mam ma uparotsihi uparodham ma karshihi adhamarnam iva uttamarnaha. Ma is equal to mam, me. The first ma is mam. Second ma uparotsihi. Do not compel me. Mangi lung lakara without at. It goes with the ma. Ma uparotsihi. do not compel me, is equal to uparodham ma karshihi. Do not apply force on me. Uparodha, compulsion. Ma karshihi, do not do. Adhamarnam iva uttamarnaha. An adhamarna is compelled by an uttamarna. Adhamarna means a borrower, an indebted person who is in debt and he is supposed to repay what he has borrowed to an uttamarna. Uttama rina is uttamarna. Uttama plus rina becomes uttamarna. Uttamarna means a lender, one who has given money as a loan. So after a time period, the uttamarna compels the adhamarna. You have to give back your money. He keeps calling and he may visit his house. All these things are possible. So he compels. I want money, my money back. So similarly, you don't compel me, because already Yama thinks he is indebted to Nachiketa by promising 3 boons. And if Nachiketa forces, he will have to give this vara. But he is requesting Nachiketa, don't ask for this, I will give you something else. Atisraja vimuncha enam varam maam prati. Atisraja is equal to vimuncha, please give up. Enam varam, this vara. Enam varam atisraja, please give up this vara. Ma is equal to maam, again maam. Prati, Bhashyakara adds a prati. For my sake, for me. So Yama has asked Nachiketa to give up and ask something else. But Nachiketa does not yield. He says, I want the same boon. Instead, Yama's statement itself backfires. Yama said, this is difficult to understand. Then Nachiketa says, if it is difficult to understand, then I really want to understand it from you, because you are the best teacher. Devvairatrapi vichikitsitam kila tvancha mrityo yanna suvijñeyamatha vakta chasya tvadriganyo nalabhyaha नान्यो वरस्तुल्यः एतस्य कश्चित्. This is Nachiketa Uvacha. Nachiketa's words. हे मृत्यो त्वं च मृत्यो यन्न सुविज्ञेयमात्थ. From there, हे मृत्यो, O मृत्यु. Yat, we have to bring yat. Yat na suviज्ञेयमात्थ. From there, yat in the Anvaya. Yat is equal to yasmat. Since atra, about this, about Atma, devaihi api vichikitsitam, even the devatas had doubt. Kila, is it not so? Nachiketa is asking Yama, is it not so? You just told this. Tvam cha na suviज्ञेयम atha. And tvam cha, even you, na suviज्ञेयम atha. Even you say that it is not easy to understand. Even someone like Yama says it is not easy to understand. That means even for him it was not easy. Then Nachiketa says, in that case I want it, and that too from you, because it is not easy to find a better teacher. Asya anyaha twadrigvakta cha na labhyaha. Asya atma tattvasya, of this atma tattva, anyaha, another vakta, another speaker, another teacher like you, twadrik, na labhyaha, cannot be found. It's not easy to find a good teacher like you. Therefore, etasya tulyaha anyaha varaha na asti. There is no other vara which can be equal to this. Etasya tulyaha, which can be equal to this. Such another boon, another vara does not exist. Chida Bhashya. Eva muktaha Nachiketa aha. Eva muktaha, Yamena eva muktaha. Nachiketa. Nachiketa, who was told so by Yama, who was discouraged by Yama. Aha, he said. This verse is Nachiketa uvacha. Devairatrapi etasmin vastuni vichikitsitam kila iti bhavata eva nah shrutam tvam cha mrityo yat yasmat na suviज्ञेयम आत्मतत्त्वम आत्थ कथयसि अतः पंडितैः उपदेशनीयत्वात् वक्ता चास्य धर्मस्य त्वादृक् त्वत्तुल्यः अन्यः पंडितश्च न लभ्यः अन्विष्यमाणोऽपि देवैः अत्र अपि अत्र देवैः अपि अत्र इज इक्वल टू एतस्मिन् वस्तुनि अबाउट दिस वस्तु अबाउट दिस ट्रुथ आत्मतत्व देवैः अपि even by the devatas vichikitsitam kila vichikitsitam samshayitam it is doubted they had a doubt kila in the moola there is the word kila kila has the meaning of is it not so isn't it even the devatas had doubt hadn't they like a question tag so bhashyakara is giving the swarasya of the word kila what Nachiketa indicates with the avyaya kila iti bhavatah eva nah shrutam iti this fact devairatrapi vichikitsitam iti bhavatah eva from you alone from you nah shrutam we have heard हे मृत्यो ओ मृत्यु त्वं च you also yat yat is equal to yasmat so yasmat will go first the yat is yasmat so in the anvaya it will go first so yasmat devaihi api vichikitsitam yasmat tvam cha na suvijñeyamatha न सुविज्ञेयम त्वं च न सुविज्ञेयम आत्मतत्वम आत्था even you say that this atmatattva is not suvijñeya not easily understandable atha is equal to kathayasi you say atha is a brunya dhatu lat मध्यम पुरुष एकवचनम ब्रून्य धातु ब्रून्य व्यक्तायाम वाचि यू कैन लुक इन द धातु पाठ होमवर्क अथ इज इक्वल टू कथयसि अतः देयरफॉर सो यतः अतः सो यत् इज यस्मात् अतः अतः इस तस्मात् पंडितैः उपदेशनीयत्वात् so this atma tattva should be taught by pandita who is a pandita panda atma vishayika buddhihi asya asti iti panditah Panda, we will see this in the Bhashya in Gita. Gatasu nagatasuscha na anushocanti panditaha. It will come there. But before that, here the word pandita has occurred in the Bhashya. So one who has panda. Panda is jnana, not the pandas in the temple. So panda means atmajnana. One who has atmajnana. Panda asya sanjata iti panditaha. One who has got the atmajnana. he is called Pandita. Means a Jnani ityartha. So Panditaihi upadeshaniyatvat. It should be taught by a Pandita. Anybody cannot teach Atmajnana. Panditaihi upadeshaniyatvat. Vakta cha asya dharmasya twadrik tvattulyaha anyah panditascha nalabhyaha. Asya dharmasya vakta. So it should be taught by a Pandita. And who can be the best Pandita? Yama is one of the best. Nachiketa knows that Yama is an Atmajnana. So, asya dharmasya, of this dharma, Atma, Twadrak is equal to Tvattulyaha, like you, similar to you. Vakta, Vakta Panditascha, a Pandita and a Vakta, a knower as well as a teacher. So both are needed. He should have the knowledge and he should be able to communicate the knowledge. Sometimes he may be just a Pandita, but he may not be a Vakta. He may not have the ability to teach. It is also possible. So he should be a Pandita as well as a Vakta. Anyaha nalabhyaha, another Vakta and Pandita like you is not found, cannot be found. Nalabhyaha. Anvishyamanopi, even if we search, people keep searching for a very long time. Where can I get Brahmajnana? Where can I do the course? People keep searching in the internet. I don't know, some people might be searching now also. So, in the internet, and they may go to some places here and there and search. But somewhere the search also has to come to an end. You cannot keep searching constantly. Somewhere we have to say, yeah, now I will stop searching for time being and study properly. The search also cannot go eternally. Because there are many options. Many options are available. So if I keep oscillating between many options, I cannot focus on one thing. So I have to zero in on some option. So once I have chosen to, I have opted to stay in one place and study, then I have to make use of the time properly. Then also if I start looking at internet, Google, searching, then I will be wasting my time. So that is another problem with some people in such courses. Yeah. So because we keep comparing, this is better or that is better. So, anvishyamanaha api, even if I search, I cannot find a teacher like you. Ayam tu varaha निश्रेयस प्राप्ति हेतुः. Yeah. And this vara is very useful, very purposeful. Ayam varaha, this vara is nishreyasa prapti hetu. It will serve as a means to attain moksha, nishreyasa. Because of that reason also, this vara is very valuable. Ataha nanyah varaha tulyaha sadrishaha asti etasya kashchidapi anityaphalatvat अन्यस्य सर्वस्य एव इत्यभिप्रायः. अतः, therefore, because of all the reasons mentioned before, नान्यः वरस्तुल्यः, अन्यः तुल्यः वरः. Tulyaha is equal to sadrishaha, similar, equivalent. Etasya tulyaha, equivalent to this vara. Anyaha kashchidapi na, there is no other vara. Why? Anyasya sarvasya eva anityaphalatvat. Because every other possibility, every other vara, it will have anitya phala. It will have indefinite result. Sorry, not indefinite, temporary result, impermanent result. Because it will not lead to moksha. It may give other purusharthas, dharma, artha and kama. For moksha purushartha, only moksha purushartha is nitya. And to get moksha, this is the only way. There is no other option. Ityabhiprayaha, this is Nachiketa's abhipraya. His intended meaning. The intended meaning of words is called abhipraya. So, nanyo varastulya etasya kaschit. There is no other vara equal to this. Bhashyakara presented the abhipraya, the intended meaning. All other varas are temporary. They will not give moksha. This vara alone will give moksha. Therefore, there is no other vara equal to this. So, Yama tried to discourage Nachiketa, but Nachiketa did not yield. With one attempt, now Yama is trying another attempt, making another attempt to discourage Nachiketa. And in this attempt, he is trying to tempt Nachiketa, to distract Nachiketa with the various temptations, various material enjoyments. This is a true test of Vairagya. whether Nachiketa is really having Vairagya or not. In the previous attempt, it was a test of mumukshutva and jijnasa. Whether Nachiketa is truly a mumukshu. If he is truly a mumukshu, he will definitely choose the means for moksha. So, in the first attempt, Devairatrapi Vichikitsitam, so Yama tested whether Nachiketa has true jijnasa or not. True mumukshutva and jijnasa. So now he is testing his vairagya. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.